Hello friends, welcome to my channel. First, I will introduce myself. I am Satish Srinivas Kambos from Deshbhushan Kulbhushan Vidyalaya, Kuntalgiri. Today, we are going to learn chapter first, Basic Concept in Geometry of Mathematics, part second of Standard 9. The word geometry itself suggests the origin of the subject. It is generated from the Greek word geo means earth and metria means measuring. आता आपण बेसिक कन्सेप्ट इन जॉमेट्री मधील मुख्य मुद्द्यांचा अभ्यास करू. फर्स्ट इज पॉइंट, लाइन and plane. Second is coordinates of a points and distance. Third is betweenness. Fourth is conditional statements. And last is proof. Points, line and plane. We do not define a point, line and plane also. These are some basic concepts in geometry. Lines and planes are sets of points. The word line is used in the sense straight line. Point A, line L and plane H. आता आपण दुसऱ्या मुद्द्याचा अभ्यास करू. कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट्स अँड डिस्टन्स. ऑन द नंबर लाइन shows point A, point B, point C, point O, point D and point E. Coordinates of points A is -5, coordinates of points B is -3, coordinates of point C is -2, coordinates of point O is 0, point D is 1 and last coordinates of point C is E is 3. The point B denotes the number -3 on the line. Hence, the coordinates of point B is -3. Another example is the point C denotes the number is -2 on the line. Hence, the coordinates of point C is -2. The point E is 2 units away from the point D. It means the distance between point D and E is 2. The another example is the point A is 4 units away from point C. It means the distance between point A and C is 4. Thus, we can find the distance between 2 points on a number line by counting number of units. The coordinate of point D and E is 1 and 3 respectively. We know that 3 is greater than 1. Therefore, distance between point E and D is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Another example is the coordinates of point B and D are -3 and 1 respectively. We know that 1 is greater than -3. Therefore, the distance between point B and E is equal to 1 minus in bracket minus 3, 1 minus minus plus 3 is equal to 4. The distance between point E and D is denoted as distance of ED. There is the same as length of ED, that is the length of this segment ED. Example, distance of ED is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Length of ED is equal to 2. Distance of ED is equal to length of ED is equal to 2. Similarly, distance of D is equal to 2. The another example is distance of CD is equal to 1 minus in bracket minus 2 is equal to 1 minus minus plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Distance of CD means length of CD is equal to 3. Similarly, also written as distance of DC is equal to 3. पुढचा मुद्दा आपण पाहूया. The distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. The distance between any 2 points is a non-negative real number if the 2 points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. या पुढील मुद्दा betweenness. If P, Q, R are 3 distinct collinear points, there are 3 possibilities. First possibility is point Q is between P and R. Second possibility is point R is between P and Q. And third possibility is point P is between R and Q. If distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PR, then it is said that point Q is between P and R. The betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R. Practice set 1.1. First question is, find the distance with the help of the number line given below. On the number line, coordinates of point Q is minus 3, coordinates of point P is minus 4, K is minus 3, J is minus 2, H is minus 1, O is 0, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, and last is coordinates of E is 5. Question number 1. Find distance between B and E. Here, coordinates of B is 2 and coordinates of E is 5. Therefore, B is less than E. Therefore, distance of B is equal to coordinates of E minus coordinates of B is equal to 5 minus 2. Therefore, the distance between B and E is equal to 3. Another example is find distance of JA. Coordinates of J is minus 2. Coordinate of A is equal to 1. Therefore, j is less than a. Therefore, distance of j is equal to coordinate of a minus coordinate of j. Therefore, distance of j is equal to 1 minus in bracket minus 2 minus into minus plus. Therefore, distance of j is equal to 1 plus 2. Therefore, distance from j to a is equal to 3. दुसरे उदाहरण आपण पाहूया. डिस्टन्स ऑफ PC. Here, coordinates of P is minus 4 and coordinates of C is 3. Therefore, P is less than 3. Therefore, distance of PC is equal to coordinate of C minus coordinate of P. Therefore, distance of PC is equal to coordinate of C is 3 minus in bracket coordinate of P is minus 4. Therefore, distance of PC is equal to 3 minus minus plus 4. Therefore, distance of PC is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Another example is distance of JH. Coordinate of J is minus 2. Coordinate of H is minus 1. Therefore, minus 2 less than minus 1 means J is less than H. Therefore, distance of JH is equal to coordinate of H minus coordinate of J. Therefore, distance of JH is equal to coordinate of H is minus 1 minus in bracket coordinate of J is minus 2. Therefore, distance of JH is equal to minus 1 minus minus plus 2. Therefore, distance of JH is equal to 2 minus 1 means distance of JH is equal to 1. Another example is distance of KD. Distance of KO. Here, coordinate of K is equal to minus 3 and coordinate of O is 0. Therefore, minus 3 is less than 0 means K is less than O. Therefore, distance of KO is equal to coordinate of O minus coordinate of K. Distance of KO is equal to coordinate of O is 0 minus in bracket minus 3. Therefore, distance from K to O is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance of KO is equal to 3. Another example is distance of OE. Here, coordinate of O is 0 and coordinate of E is 5. O is less than E. Therefore, distance of OE is equal to coordinate of E minus coordinate of O. Distance of OE is equal to 5 minus 0. Therefore, distance of OE is equal to 5. Another find example, distance of Pj. Here coordinate of P is -4 and coordinate of J is -2. Therefore -2 is greater than -4 or P is less than J. Therefore distance of Pj is equal to coordinate of J minus coordinate of P. Distance of Pj equal to coordinate of J is -2, coordinate of P is -4. Put this value. Therefore distance of Pj equal to -2 minus plus 4. Therefore distance of Pj is equal to -2 plus 4 is equal to distance of Pj is equal to 4 minus 2 means distance of Pj is equal to 2. Another example is find distance of QB. Here coordinate of Q is -5 and coordinate of B is 2. Means Q is less than B. Distance of QB is equal to coordinate of B minus coordinate of Q. Therefore distance of QB is equal to coordinate of B is 2 and coordinate of Q is -5. 2 minus in bracket -5. Distance of QB is equal to 2 minus into minus plus 5. Therefore distance of QB is equal to 7. Next example is, if the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance of AB. Use above number line. First example is x equal to 1 and y equal to 7. Means A is equal to x equal to 1 is less than B is equal to y equal to 7. Means y is greater than x or x is less than y. Therefore distance of AB is equal to y minus x. Therefore distance of AB is equal to coordinate of y is 7 means 7 and coordinate of x is 1. 7 minus 1. Therefore distance of AB is equal to 6. Second example is this type. X equal to 6 and y equal to -2. Here A means x equal to 6 is greater than B means y is equal to -2. Means 6 is greater than -2. Therefore distance of A is equal to x minus y. Therefore distance of AB is equal to 6 minus in bracket -2. Therefore distance of AB is equal to 6 minus into minus plus 2. Therefore distance of AB is equal to 8. Next example is, here x is equal to -3, y is equal to 7. Means coordinate of A means x means -3 and coordinate of y means B means 7. Here A is equal to x equal to -3 is less than B is equal to y equal to 7. Means -3 is less than 7. Therefore distance of AB is equal to y minus x. Therefore distance of AB is equal to 7 minus in bracket minus 3 is equal to 7 plus 3. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 10. Another example, x equal to minus 4 and y equal to 5. A is equal to x is equal to minus 4 greater than b is equal to y is equal to minus 5 means minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Distance of AB is equal to x minus y. Distance of AB is equal to coordinate of x is minus 4 minus coordinate of y is minus 5. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to minus 4 minus into minus plus 5. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 1. Fifth example is x equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 6. Here, A is equal to x is equal to minus 3 is greater than b is equal to y is equal to minus 6. Distance of AB is equal to x minus y. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to in bracket minus 3 minus second bracket minus 6. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus 6. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 3. Last example is x equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 8. Here A means x is equal to 4 and B means y is equal to minus 8. Here 4 is greater than minus 8. Distance of AB is equal to 4 minus in bracket minus 8. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to minus into minus plus. Therefore, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. The third example is from the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the point are not collinear, state so. Question number 1. Given distance of PR is equal to 7. Distance of PQ is equal to 10. Distance of QR is equal to 3. Distance of PQ is equal to 10. In the figure, distance of PR plus distance of QR is equal to 7 plus 3. Means distance of PR plus distance of QR is equal to 10. Distance of PQ is equal to distance of PR plus distance of QR. Therefore, point P, Q and R are collinear and written as P dash R dash Q. Another example is given distance of RS is equal to 8, distance of ST is equal to 6, distance of RT is equal to 4. Distance of RS is equal to 8, greatest distance. Distance of ST plus distance of RT is equal to 6 plus 4. Distance of ST plus distance of RT is equal to 10. Distance of RS is not equal to distance of ST plus distance of RT. Therefore, point R, T and S are non-collinear and T is not between R and S. Third example is distance of AB is equal to 16. Distance of CA is equal to 9 and distance of BC is equal to 7. Answer is distance of AB is equal to 16. Distance of CA plus distance of BC is equal to 9 plus 7. Therefore, distance of CA plus distance of BC is equal to 16. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to distance of CA plus distance of BC. Therefore, point A, C and B are collinear and written as A dash C dash B. Fourth example is distance of LM is equal to 11. Distance of MN is equal to 12. Distance of NL is equal to 8. Answer is the greatest distance between M and N here is equal to 12. The distance of LM plus distance of NL is equal to 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. Distance of MN is not equal to distance of LM plus distance of NL. Therefore, point M, L and N are non-collinear. Another example is distance of XY is equal to 15, distance of YZ equal to 7, distance of XZ is equal to 8. Here, distance of XY is equal to 15. Distance of YZ plus distance of XZ is equal to 7 plus 8. Therefore, distance of YZ plus distance of XZ is equal to 15. Therefore, distance of XY is equal to distance of YZ plus distance of XZ. Therefore, point X, Z and Y are collinear and written as X dash, Z dash, Y. Another example is distance of SR is equal to 8. Distance of ST is equal to 6. Distance of RT is equal to 4. Answer is here distance of RS is equal to 8. Therefore, distance of ST plus distance of RT is equal to 6 plus 4. Distance of ST plus distance of RT is equal to 10. Comparison 1 and 2. Distance of RS is not equal to distance of ST plus distance of RT. Therefore, point R, T and S are non-collinear. Fourth example, on a number line, point A, B and C are such that distance of AC is equal to 10, distance of CB is equal to 8. Find distance of AB considering all possibilities. First possibility is be in between A and C. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to distance of AC minus distance of BC. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 10 minus 8. Therefore, distance of AB is 2. Another possibility is C is between A and B. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to distance of AC plus distance of BC. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 2 or 18. The question number 5 is points x, y, z are collinear such that distance of xy is equal to 17, distance of yz is equal to 8. Find distance of xz. First possibility is y in between x and z. Therefore, distance of xz is equal to distance of xy plus distance of yz. Therefore, distance of xz is equal to 17 plus 8. Therefore, distance of xz is equal to 15. Second possibility is z in between x and y. Therefore, distance of xz is equal to distance of xy minus distance of yz. Therefore, distance of xz is equal to 17 minus 8. Therefore, distance of xz is equal to 9. Therefore, answer is distance of xz is equal to 25 or 9. The sixth example in exercise. Sketch paper figure. Write the answer of the following question. If point B is in between A and C and length of AC is equal to 11, length of BC is equal to 6.5, find length of AB is equal to. Here, length of AC is equal to length of AB plus length of BC. Put the value. Length of AC is 11 is equal to length of AB plus length of BC is 6.5. Therefore, length of AB is equal to 11 minus 6.5. Therefore, length of AB is equal to 4.5. Another example is the point S in between R and T and length of ST is equal to 3.7. Length of RS is equal to 2.5. Find length of RT. Here, length of RT is equal to length of RS plus length of ST. Put the value. Length of RT is equal to 2.5 plus 3.7. Length of RT is equal to 6.2. Another example is if point Y in between X and Z and length of XZ is equal to 3 under root 7 and length of XY is equal to under root 7. Find length of yz. Length of xz equal to length of xy plus length of yz. Put the value 3 under root 7 is equal to under root 7 plus length of yz. Length of yz is equal to 3 under root 7 minus under root 7. Therefore, length of yz is equal to 2 under root 2. Question number 7 is, which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? Answer is, 3 non-collinear points forms following figure. Means triangle ABC. Today we have learned some questions. Distance between 2 points, betweenness and another. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your all friends and subscribe to my channel. If you have some doubt in today's session, comments below, I will reply you. Bye friends, have a good day.